Gonna fly some drones.
Is the wind making any difference, George?
No.
Not really?
GPS New York, even with GPS, it was pretty bad. Pretty good.
Yeah. I'm filming, you filming, me filming. You.
Yeah.
Look at this amazing drone right here.
Are you talking about me or that?
That. Oh, ha. And George is already taking it 400 feet, because why not? Wait, bring it down! Bro! Drone! Out! Oh, it's dead. It's dead. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. It was his drone, right? That's what it was. It's gone.
It's done, right?
I think it's gone. Where'd it go?
I can't believe it doesn't float.
Did it hit the water or am I?
It went all the way out there, so...
Is your drone in the sky, George?
Yeah.
You're just leaving it there? You're like not caring at
I
all?
don't even know where it is.
Really?
I'm serious. Oh, over there.
What? How'd it get out there already?
I love that. Let's put some of that on the screen right now. Bosh.
That'll look good in the edit.
There you go, that's 400.
You're 400 feet up.
Say hey, Isaiah.
Why'd you go like so high and just fall right back?
What do you think about him losing his drone on the first time of flying it outside?
I didn't think it would go that far, but I think the wind just took it.
Well, that's one drone down. 4 to go? Think so. Do you want a drone too, puppy?
Okay.
Puppy, do you want a drone too?
Shadow ball on it.
Alright, what are we doing, George?
That's not scary at all.
It's good, it's good.
I mean, scared for my life, not for your drone.
500?
500.
Do 500, bro.
That's good.
What's up, drone? Oh, you're up.
150. 200. 300.
Not yet.
300.
Oh.
350. And 400.
We're up there.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Necessary 400. That's amazing picture. Yeah.
That's awesome.
How much did that drone cost?
A short film. Man, if we had Matt here. We have a drone,
A microphone.
camera.
Camera.
We can't think of a single
We
right
just need to
now.
hire someone to be creative for us.
Yeah, that's what we have to do. If you want to make ideas for us,
hire
we will
you.
pay you nothing.
Need an intern.
We need an intern.
What?
If people from the 1800s had the technology that we had, go.
They'd be making amazing things. And here we are with it, doing nothing with our lives.
All right, we're just trying to find some cool shots, right? Yep. Look who got a new drone.